everyone, welcome to my channel where I explore the beauty and creativity of forest house design. Today, I will take you on a journey through some stunning ideas that blend seamlessly with nature. First design concept is the tree house retreat. Imagine waking up to the soothing sound of nature surrounded by lush greenery. Treehouse designs offers a unique blend of adventure and relaxation perfect for nature. From cozy tree pods nestled among branches to spacious multi-level tree house, theirs are designed to suit every preference, incorporating sustainable materials like reclaimed wood and eco-friendly features such as solar panels. Ensures these tree houses are not just beautiful but also environmentally conscious. Moving on, the cabin in the wood. These charming retreat often features rustic yet elegant design with large windows that frame breathtaking forest views. Warm interior with natural elements like stone, fireplace, and wooden beams create a cozy ambience. Cabin design can range from traditional log cabins to the modern interpretation with sleek lines and minimalist interior. The key is to harmonize with the surrounding environment while providing comfort and functionality. Next up, we have the glass houses. These innovative design blur the boundaries when indoor and outdoor living, offering panoramic views of the forest. Floor to ceiling glass walls and open plan layout create a sense of spaciousness and connections to the nature. Whether it's a contemporary glass cube or a geodesic dome, these designs prioritize natural light and energy efficiency. Imagine stargazing from the comfort of your bed or enjoying a morning coffee with bird chirping just outside. As I have seen, Forest House design offers a diverse range of possibilities from tree house adventures to luxurious glass retreats. The key is to blend architecture seamlessly with nature, creating spaces that inspires and rejuvenate. Whether it's small cozy bungalows or a large family retreat, these designs often feature rainwater harvesting systems, solar power, and natural ventilation to reduce energy consumption. Imagine living in harmony with nature while leaving a positive footprints on the planet. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of forest house design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspirations. Until next time, embrace the beauty of nature in every aspect of your life. Take care. Allah Hafiz.